right, we're out here in Simi Valley today. Went to an event. I did go to damn Long Beach this morning for an event that was supposed to be going on, and all that way for nothing. Anyway, tried to reach out to the people, no response back. So anyways, out here in Simi Valley, SS Motorsports. They're about ready to go on a little cruise right now, but they're having a little show. Gonna go on a cruise for, I don't know, an hour or something like that, and then come back here, finish up a little car show. So life gives you lemons. Let's make some find somebody life giving vodka and have a good time, right? So take a walk with me. Let's go. The Ribby right there. OG badass Camaro. So these guys are going out for a cruise. They're gonna go into Moore Park or something. Camaro is super clean. So we'll see these cars again in a little bit. That G body right here, Grand National. Getting a little something done. Ice cold carbonated beverage in hand. Super Sport. The Z28. SRT. Trans Am. .454 Disguise. Over here, baby. And another Grand National. .28. 58. LS. One of 14s. Champagne. It's on air. Got a Continental kit though. .42-foot long Cadillac. Woo-wee. All those guys went revving out on their cruise through Simi Valley. No thank you. I didn't bring the El Camino anyway. And hear those guys racing down the street. That's good for trouble out here. Suicide door Lincoln. Black, but it's got a little purple in it. The Forgiato. Nice little engine cover. Getting some work done. See the guts. No guts, no glory. BMW. Say earlier today, you know, yeah, disappointed when I drove all the way down to freaking Long Beach, but it's one of those things you never know unless you go. I done found out. The LS in this bad boy, huh? That what's in there? Little race car. The handbrake. The keys in it. Should we take it for a spin? Some carbon fiber on the tail. Full little race car. Extra wheels and tires. That's on to the other side here, yeah. Woo. What kind of block is that? 4-door 6.3. Red on red on red. Just a touch of white. Should put in those suspended throttle and the cables. It's nice though. Some Foose wheels. Throw some D's on that bitch. Somebody already came back. Sounds like somebody done dumped some eggs out there already. It's a woofle. Yeah, to abort mission.
Same motor though, right?
In the works here.
This is
Got a whole lot of serpentine going on in there.
Is it LT4? No, that's LT. LT. Yeah. Well, it's the LSA floor.
Size on that guy here. 24.
I've always liked the These look good with big wheels. I'm not a big wheel car, but these look good with big wheels. Now you're.
Size of that wheel.
442s, man.
It's like a 32. Can't even see the. Can't see the print.
Love the white interior. I love it.
Yeah, something doesn't sound right on that woofler over there. Mopar down. Little pony. Cut out hood. Got that high tunnel ram in there. Woo. Race car. Yes. Big old slick on the back. Gonna wipe it down and dust it up. So what happens when you drive it, right?
Oh, that's it, man. It's just a race. That's it. I don't show, as you can tell. Huh? Cause I gotta get back home. I got like.
You're gonna be here until they get back in here.
Nah, I'm gonna still take off. I'm gonna take off early. I was really trying to get here.
Yeah, maybe there's nothing wrong with it. Torino. Sounds like it works over here. Jaguar. Get over here. Nova. Big wheel on the back.
Oh yeah, okay, I see that.
Plaid interior. Can you see that? You know that guy. Drop it back. Clean paint on here. Sexy baby. Here we go. We got Blasto out here. Got all of his gear.
What's good, Tim?
What up, Blasto? What up, Blasto?
How's everybody doing, man? We're out here on the grind, the city of Simi Valley today. We're out here. My guy Dave just pulled up. Yeah, man. It's about to go down right now. Car show. / cruise. Shout out to my boy Stevie's SS Motorsports.
There we go, there we go. Got all the proper gearage right here. Gonna have to put on some hoodies.
You need some wallets?
Oh, if they're full of cash, hell yeah. It's a little chilly out here.
Yes, sir.
And everything going on. They got a jumper out here. Nothing but big kids out here. I don't know how many of the big kids are gonna be jumping in the jumper. Yeah, a lot of cars are out on a cruise right now, so they're coming back. Check out the front end of this thing again. SS Motorsports. Woo. Sexiness. Got that G body action. Howdy. Something different. Never know unless you go. 6'4". That 6'4" Impala. And I think this is a 65 Lincoln. Got that suicide door. Nice. $50 something. Nice. Let's go, let's go. Another Rari. Here, SS Motorsports, Simi Valley. 4486 Runway Road.
They still had drum brakes on the back and shit. I'm like,
I got the two-door Blazer. Weld wheels. Some 20s, 22s.
This one here, this is Greg's over here.
SS Motorsports.
What is his custom?
oh, okay.
They even got themselves some bus benches up in out here. I've never been here before. This isn't their first year doing this. It's all right. Things must be going well. Good. How you doing? All right. Bomba rolling up. Bel Air over here. There's all kinds of cars out here. Different cars. You say that people are still out on a cruise. Got that little 5.0 pony. Got the Beamer Lemur. The wrapped pony back here. Another Suicide Lincoln over there pulled up. I don't know why he parked way so far away. We're gonna go walk over there a little bit. That 5.0, got that box body rolling up, rolling spokes. Got that El Camino Love right behind it, right there. And then 96, 93 Super Sport Impala. Yeah, yeah. Got a pulley going out. Let's snuffle up again. Got 1,400 horse. 1400. Demolition tracks. Let's see. Not today. Not true spoke. Whoa, whoa. Camaro. Watch it, watch it. Got some RT action over here. Challengers. SRT with the glow up on the front. Camaro. Back-to-back Camaro. Yeah, Pontiac. OG. Got the Rivy. Looking sexy, baby. Looking sexy. Walk over here. Got the Grand National. Oh, is that it? Oh, there's more people when they left. Yeah, when they thinned out the crowd. A couple more guys. The old stoplight action, right? The SRT glowing up there in the front. Oh shit, we got a track hawk. Some copper wheels. The hot box right here. Look at that convertible 4-door 6.3 shaved up. Impala. That's what he's got for the emblem right there. Impala. Coming 3D action. It's an R for race. Chevy. Ooh-wee. Drop it back, drop back. It's cold out here, man. It's getting colder and colder. And that Lincoln. There's like 5 of them here. Got that 6.4. Got that 6.4. Rolling 14s. That cool interior. Original dash. Got a little patina love on the paint. Like that old lacquer, the lacquer style. It comes apart. And or just pour prep, right? And you got the Bomba. Cruising up. The 39 Bomba. Woo-wee. Take a look-see inside. They say again, these big-ass cars got little cockpits. But they're badass for show. Ooh, that Bronco. I don't know what year it is. Looks like the same as the one that I saw over there at the shop the other day. 67. Looking nice in there. Fully redone. Alright, the guys are coming back. Roll-in action over here.
What they talking about? They talking about nothing. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. What they
All
talking
kinds
about?
of good stuff.
What they talking about?
Oh, we got the K5 over there. Let's go, let's go. Rolling them big ones. 22s for Sale. Looks like a 22 deuce. And then Impala. And that was the desirable color right there. That's nice. Did we change it around? Nope. Let's go. Got that Uber-woo. Got that vet. Oh, here we go. Dang, fool. Got that Benz. Try not to get run over. Galaxy. Race car Galaxy. The 280. The gang of people. That Camaro. Got a jam-packed house over here now. Beautiful Camaro. Up by that badass Chevelle. Listen, baby, just listen. There we go. I like this. Listen to that music right there. Back here parking far from home. Some El Camino love up here. Don't be afraid, girl. Don't be afraid. Come on. Come on. Stupid. All right. That Galaxy 500. Oh. Got some, come get some right there under the hood. Go, let's go. Check it out right here, baby. Check it out. Original interior. The stick. Race car. Galaxy 500. 6.3 and a 6.4. Got the switch. Majestics right there. That third tail light. Getting sexy, baby. Getting sexy. Throw it in reverse. 64 side by side out here, Majestic. Out here at SS Motorsports. Let's go. You never know unless you go. We done came, we done found the fuck out. Let's see if we can get a sneak peek in that trunk right there. You do a little peekaboo right there. Oh shit. Call it a couple times. So some respect right there. Got that Majestic. Bit of everything coming around here right now. SS Motorsports. Listen to that whistle. Listen to that whistle. Bringing the sexiness. There we go. Nice little turnout here. SS Motorsports. Got the little dronage action going on up there. All kinds of goodies over here. Let's go. You never know until you go. We done out here finding out. Oh, that cool vibe up out here. Simi Valley, SS Motorsports. Gang of people up out here. People showed up, represent. Homie Blaster right there putting in work. There we go. That Lambo on the air, sitting on the ground. Little bonus footage. Carbon fiber fins. That big wheel. Back it up. It's like a midnight blue on this Impala. Shaved handles. Bonus footage, baby, bonus. Got the old Cooper, Austin Cooper. Carbon fiber right there. The seat underneath. It's built. Came in screaming. Rim, rim. Vortec in there. Look at it. Controls. Oh, that Mini. All right. I think we done got all the cars that are here today. I don't think there's any more coming in. Getting probably like 3:30. This thing is supposed to go from maybe till 5. But yeah, I don't think there's any more cars coming. But pretty good turnout actually. I was impressed. I didn't expect this many cars and this many people. So good times, good cars, good people. Never know unless you go. We done came, we done found the freak out. So, like, subscribe. Thank you, everybody who's done so thus far. Till the next time, let's freaking go.